Hadian bakaseng HNLC kalapan benar bakala benweng no eladian nak jingiakren esok namar bagino ngelam keseng gila syakot hajar hakayeng syari. Nagaliang usembut menteri rang ba agajela uba prestun tunsong ulong baga notis ban khot hajar kam day gab aid sorkar nrai ketika belalek dak kayeng syari. Uli itu bagila syong ya kejingilang ya kren esok haka kela kebeningkong ka sorkar pedeng bag sorkar jela kala kerpat bikin sengobha ben penstet no haka ben pentip iki kimat ki bagi Kwah ben kren bag gidang ap ke jubab na ke HNLC. Halor ke jingdawa ke HNLC ban map no iki kambaman bala pengat persya iki uba prestun tensong ulong baha kawat kebeningkong jong kejingkenan esok le kren ya baro kini kimat bala pen pauru bagi Kwah ben kren bag kinong ngelam ki baha kli do om tang vice chairman bad kerpat ke HNLC bahkan ai kitien no lengbau nong mi khmat jongki. Uba prestun tensong ulong baga sorkar kelada pak tien syake HNLC baga Kwah bau chairman uba Bobby Marwen bad general secretary uba san kuparnong trau bandan lang ha kejingyalang ya krenesuk kabanwan bad sorkar kadang ap ya HNLC ban megarai bad ban aik tien syake sorkar. Dang hak singi ublay ke HNLC kelapan pau kejing persya ke bajur halur kejing khot hajar gidong yalam jongki wad haba kejing krenesuk kadang ya cakmat. Badu baksan kuparnong trau ula dawan ke sorkar ban wengi kejing pengat kendon iki nong yalam ke HNLC bad ban map no iki baro ki kambaman lem kumta ke HNLC kala ban weng no eladia na kejing ekren esok.
It is not the government who issued the notice. This is the normal process of the court. Judiciary and executive is already separated. I think you understand that. But see, we had a formal talk just once. And in fact, from our side, from both from the central government and the state government, we have requested them, please speed up. What are the issues you wanted for discussion? We are waiting for that. In fact, my appeal to all of them, once again to HNLC leaders, be serious, come up, we are waiting for you, then we discuss. Because as I said to you, they should not be so panicky about the warrant issued by the court. There's someone issued by the court. This is a normal process, as I said to you. That's why we would like to process the sitting at the earliest possible. Then we will work out all these issues. Pi kata ngong pi hakatu ke meeting ke menukong ngila ya keren ni kini ki ni ong lu bangini keren bat ki bor ke bakam halor. Mendai ban om tangi tu vice chairman le kini kita. Ni Kwah ban keren ru ki bor ke balor. Te laki long serius ni Kwah ban ong ba sengobha ni the government both central and state government ni long serius ba bat ke bangang kerpat nak liang jong sorkar kulong ba sengobha I can decision communicate changi lengba utu lingman jongki but lengba lingman jongi we are ready for the sitting in the days to come. Crime is crime. I don't know what do we mean by saying heinous. See, crime is crime, whether big or small, but crime is crime and it is subjected to the law. So why should you ask that question? That's what I'm saying. The law takes its own course. When there is any criminal activities, we have to do it. And there is no way out for that. As far as HNLC talk is concerned, I would like to assure them once again, I would like to also request all of them, especially the senior leaders, please come forward. We are waiting for you, both central and the state government, for the further talks that we would like to have. The ball is now in their court. That's what I'm telling you. The government is waiting for them to reply and fix. And we would like also in the next talk that at least secretary or maybe chairman should also be present in the talk.
Hakabayday bagijing tumu ke sorkar pedeng ban penteri kam ya ka one nation one election. Uba prestun tinsong ulong baga sorkar kam pat yo opdiang ya ka nogono gijing tho halor kane kamat. Bat kumta umpat Kwah ban keren halor kane. Mereka kum kejing sengojo usimet hi la dan kawai kari bat kawai ke election onla bantengkai ke por ke pisa bat onla ro bantengkai kejing penan kami ki beliau ya ke bahap ban penan kam sisian badan ke election. Ulang sisian bala penteri kam ya ke model code of conduct ka kata bagi kam penroi jong ke sorkar jela ni jong ke sorkar pedeng.
No, that we don't know yet. See, it has not come officially for the debate. Be it in the parliament or be it in the state assembly. So I can't comment anything on that. But of course, my personal opinion is if we have one election, one nation, I think we'll be able to save a lot of time. We will be able to save a lot of funds and we'll be also able to save a lot of manpower where we need to, ultimately, once you have election, you understand, even model code of conduct has to be implemented every 6 months or every 7 months, which ultimately it affects the overall developmental program of be it the central government or the state government.